The DrySpec D28 dual-end dry bag comes equipped with its own integrated strapping system. There are multiple slots along the top of the bag to provide you with a few different configuration options. You'll begin with fitting the straps to the four corners of your rack. The first pair should sit just in front of the top plate as shown. Simply take the straps and run it behind and around the main frame of the rack, then loop it through the adjustment clips. This will create the forward strapping locations. For the rear straps, you'll want to run them through the corners of the rack following the same strapping procedure as the fronts. Now that all four straps are in place, you're ready to mount your bag. The D28 comes with 6 pairs of strapping slots at the top of the bag. We found that using the pair one in from the end works best with our rear rack. Run the straps underneath the main buckles and through the slots. Repeat this process for all 4 straps and snap them together. Now take the tail ends and snug them down. Always be sure to tie off slack from any strapping system prior to riding. You have now completed the installation and are ready to ride. The D28 has dual end openings with a roll-down design which allows for a large range of cargo that can be loaded inside. In our case, we have only used a portion of its full capacity with plenty of room to spare. We found that getting a minimum of 2 full rolls prior to buckling will help keep your cargo dry and secure during your trip. When you're ready to remove your bag, just reverse the strapping process from before and you're good to go. Please let us know if you have any questions. We appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching.